guys, I am famous. Come here, come here. Come here. Come on, man. Look at my fan. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and welcome back to another Wednesday video. So today, since a fall time is coming up, it's getting a little breezy, a little chilly, leaves are falling. It's time to get some back to fall room decor. That didn't make sense, but yeah, we're getting fall room decor today because I love the fall. I want to just decorate. It's so cute, so cozy. Let's go to Target and TJ Maxx to see what they have and try to pick up some cute fall aesthetics. I plan on getting some really cute stuff, so make sure you stay to the end to see what I got. So let's get to it. This one's really cute. I don't know anymore. This is a cute combination, but I think I should definitely get pink because that matches my room. I'm gonna get the pink one because it goes with my room, the olive green one because it's rose gold at the top and I like olive green, and this orange one because it's like a real pumpkin color and I really like it. I think all these colors go super well together so they won't clash. It's cute. You pick pumpkins, apples 5 cents, apples 5 cents. These are adorable. They're like mini coffee cups. Okay. Then candle. And then you can like smell it through the lip. I think I'm gonna get this one because the bottle's super cute. Hello Autumn, that's cute. I think I'm gonna get the pumpkin little storage thing because it just looks very cute, kind of my aesthetic. Because it like flew in the air. Oh my god, it's a big, thick pumpkin. These are cute pumpkins. They're like velvet. This is cute, but we already have a cuter storage device, so I don't know. What is this? A carrot? This is cute. This chair and this pillow.
Alright, I'll check it out. Alright, thanks.
Put the wreath on my door so that everybody knows it's fall. Got some really cute things from Target, and I'm kind of proud of that little search. We found really cute things. So let's go to TJ Maxx now to see what they got, to see if we can find any more cute fall things. Let's go. Oh, he just did over it. This is cute with the outfit. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at it, he has a... This is so cute. This one's cute. I like this one a lot. Or this one kind of looks like a scarf though. Let's see. Out of these three, because this one looks a little bit too orange. Out of these three, I don't know which I should get. This one is super cute and has a bow just because. So that makes it special. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I like this one. Ooh, it's heavy. They have a horn. But, oh, look at this glass pumpkin. It says it lights up, but I don't know where it can light it up, but that's super cool. Guys, look at how fancy this is. Crystal pumpkin. They like the blue ball aesthetic because it kind of reminds me of winter, but like mixed in with fall, kind of. Does that make sense? It looks like a pumpkin Christmas tree. I like this one a lot. This one's cute, and it's knitted. It looks knitted. This mirror one. This one's cool. It's like a mirror, and it looks like shattered glass. This one's so pretty. Look at the stem. I would grab it, but I'm too clumsy. It looks like a pastel rainbow. This is such a pretty pumpkin. The glass pumpkins are, but I'm too clumsy. They're all so beautiful. This is the tinfoil man's pumpkin from are cute. I like this one with the truck full of pumpkins. And no, this one's better. This one's better. This one's way better. You ready for this? Real flowers. What is this? This is weird. Hand grip. Hit the grip. Oh, look it. It's fairy lights and clips. This is cute. This is definitely fall. I'm getting it because it's fall. No, it's not. I just want it. Soothe my emotions. To soothe. I need a salt lamp. What does this do? This is cute. Yay! I like all of these signs. Like, just breathe. This one, I love kind. This one that's kind of cute. This one's cute. I just noticed that one. Life is beautiful, and so are you, missus. Thankful. I'm blessed. I'm better than the rest. This is, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Maybe a dream catcher? It's the fragrance. Whoa, big tires. This will never run out. I'm smelling like a baby bomb. This one's actually really cute. I like this one. Well, it smells good. But I did already get a candle from Target, so I don't think I need multiple candles. But then again, you can never have too many candles. Let's get it. I really like candles that go from like one color to the other. I just think it's so pretty. Like this pumpkin and caramel. It reminds me of a, what's it called? A candy corn. I don't care what anybody says, candy corn is delicious. It's the best, one of the best candies ever during the fall. But this don't smell like candy corn, so it does smell as good. This is really cute. You could put like this, that's way too big. Or this in here, like that, like oop. Look how cute this is. We tried to put a plant in it, but it's like really difficult to get stuff in and out of here. So we don't really know what we can put in, but we're gonna get it because look how cute it is. Like, this is too cute to pass up. Why is this pumpkin humongous? I love these like pumpkins with the curly fry stem. They're so cute. Like this one and this one. I think they're adorable. Ooh. These smell good. Oh, look at this one. This one's cool. This pumpkin matches, these pumpkins match my aesthetic so well. And I love this stacked pumpkin because it reminds me of a tree. But I don't know where I would put this. Where would I put this giant thing? See, you see this Snoopy right there? This Snoopy? Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. Hi. Come along, man. Guys, I am famous. Come here, come here. Come here. Come on, man. Look at my fan. Cool. It looks like I'm petting a mammoth. That looks so cool. Look at that. Cute. This would be cute on my couch instead of like just two pillows. It could just be one long one. I think that would actually be really cute and a little switch up. You know, switch up for the fall season. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got real quick. So first off, as you can clearly see, I got this big long pillow. This is super cute, and I thought the pumpkins were like too many pumpkins because I already have a lot of pumpkins, and this is kind of like plain but still fallish. Then next I got this really cute fall throw blanket. It's like plaid, super soft, and I like the like fringy at the bottom. I thought that was super cute. Next, we have this little sign. I'm not sure where I'm going to hang this up yet, but it was too cute to pass up. Life is beautiful, and so are you. And it is true. And lastly, we have this super cute stack pumpkin. I loved it a lot because the detail made it look like it was knitted. And it goes with my aesthetic so well. Turquoise blue, really perfect. Then from a Target, firstly, I got these like little things that you can unwrap out because I'm gonna put them like under my bed, so it's gonna look really cute, make them hangy. I thought that was super cute. But then I got these 3 felt fall pumpkins. I mean, who could pass these up? They could like be as a pillow, a little decoration around the room. I thought these were super cute, and I got them all according to like what colors match my room really good. Then next, oh, this is so cute. The little coffee cup that's actually a candle. This one smells super good, and it's really cute. I could put this on my desk or on my dresser, wherever really, just to make my room smell good, because my room tinky sometimes. And lastly, I got this little bowl, kind of looks like a coffee cup. It has this lid on it. I think it's for probably soup or something, but I'm just going to use it as storage. Because if you've seen like in my room tour, I like to use coffee cups as storage, so this is perfect. So I'm going to decorate my room tomorrow, and I'll post pics on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'm not going to do a fall like room tour with all of this stuff because I didn't really get that much because I'm going to be decorating big for Halloween, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. Also, if you do want to see what my room looks like with all of this fall stuff up, make sure you go to my Instagram to see what it looks like, and also tell me if you're decorating for fall. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time.